Hi, many of you may not know that the videos that we have in our library are also available to download onto your computers through the UEN website. And so if you find yourself always trying to get a video that's checked out for a science unit because someone else on your team has it, you have to track it down. It's much easier to just download it to your computer. You can then put it on your iPad, or you can show it up on your smartboard with your projector. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing we're going to do is go into our internet. And once we're in our internet, we're going to go to the UEN website. Once I get to the UEN website, down here in the bottom corner is a link that says Video and Media. So I'm going to click on that. And that opens up the EMedia website. That's through the UEN. And this is free for teachers to use. If you do this from the school computer, it logs you in automatically. And so we're going to come over to where it says Enter EMedia. And that will bring us to the EMedia site. And from here, it has a featured section. Each month it has recommended videos that you may want to watch. These are scholastic books that have been made into videos. There's also some Bill Nye ones. You can go through and view those. Or you can come over here to the basic search and search for something you're looking for. For example, Bill Nye rocks and here you have a Bill Nye video on rocks and soil. And so you can search for what you want. If you want to make it more specific, you can use the power search. You can actually put in grade. You can actually put in core standards that you're looking for, and it will find any videos that are available. So a great resource. I'm just going to download one that's a smaller video just to show you, but if we go to A Very Brave Witch, which is a scholastic video. So when you find the one you want to use, you just click on that title of the video, and then it'll pull up the screen. From here you can actually just hit play and make it full screen and watch it right from the internet, but it can sometimes be choppy and slow. The quality's not always as good. Or you can come down here to downloads. Now if you're planning on putting this on your iPad, then I would recommend downloading the QuickTime version because that will be compatible with your iPads and iTunes. So you just click on download, say save, and then wait for it to download. We'll wait a few seconds here for this to finish. Once it is finished downloading, you should be able to right-click on the file that just downloaded and say Open Containing Folder, and that will take you to the folder where it downloaded. Let's try that again. And so here it pulls up your downloads folder, which sometimes is an easier way to get to it, and it will highlight the one that you clicked on. So from here I can just right-click on it, and I can cut it or copy it. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to come over here and put it in my videos folder, and then we can just right-click and say paste, and now it adds it to our videos folder so that we can always get to it. Now the nice thing is, when you go to put it on your iPad, if you just open up your iTunes and you go right in here to movies, here are all the movies that were downloaded from the EMedia website. These ones were not; those are my own personal movies. But any of these ones that are the longer ones, The True Story of the Three Little Pigs, Wild About Books, some Bill Nye ones, and so then you can just take those and you can actually just drag them and put them onto your iPad. And that's the end. If you have any questions, come by and talk to me.